Hey guys, Miss Estrada here. Happy to see you guys are all doing well. I wanted to go ahead and make this video for you because today is Earth Day, and Earth Day is so neat. It's a way for us to show our Earth how much we love it, and that's why we celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day is important because it reminds us of how fragile our planet really is and how important it is that we take care of it. Now, there's many different things that we can do to take care of it. We can water our, plant new trees or flower beds or vegetables, anything to help our planet out. Another thing that we can do, which is what I'm going to be talking about with you guys today, is recycling. Now, recycling is important because it's a way that we can use our resources again. So I'm going to take this little quick short story that I'm going to read to you. And it's also available in your Epic books. And there's other books in there that talk about Earth Day. So it's kind of fun for you guys too. So I'm going to start off with reading. The story is called Recycling Earth's Resources. And it's written by Barbara Webb. Oh, let me see here. It begins Earth's resources. The Earth gives us many resources. We use water for drinking and washing. We use metals to make forks and knives. We use sand to make glass. We use trees to make paper. We use other plants for food. So there's a lot of things that the earth gives us that we use. The earth makes resources slowly though. The earth takes a long time to make trees and a very long time to make metal. The earth does not make any more water at all. Recycling Earth's resources. We will use up Earth's resources too quickly if we throw all of our used things into the trash. Our trash will start to take up too much space. So what else can we do with our used resources? Let's find out. We can recycle them. Recycling makes something new out of something old. The symbol that we have here, the symbol means recycle. You will see it on the bottom of things you can recycle, such as cans or also on bins that collect things to be recycled. So, how recycling works? The metal, paper, glass, and plastic you put into a recycling bin goes to a recycling center. Workers at the recycling center sort things into different piles. We recycle different resources in different ways. We squash up old paper and roll it out into new paper. So if we're doing that, if we're using the old paper and we're recycling it and making it into new paper, then we can have more trees and our trees won't have to be used to make new paper. We melt metal cans and glass bottles to make new ones. So that means we don't have to use our resources to make new glass bottles or plastic bottles. We can, recycle them and use those again and again. We can even turn our leftover food into rich dirt that helps new plants grow. The rich dirt is called compost. So how that would work is instead of going out to the store and putting all these things together and making that compost that we would buy from the store, people get like their old used leftovers like banana peels, eggshells, and things like that, or stuff that went bad that we can't eat anymore, and they put it into a bucket or into some people build little little boxes and they put them in there as well. And then over time, the dirt will turn into compost. Another thing that we also do is we clean and recycle our water. Used water from our toilets and sinks follows the pipes to the water treatment plant. So we all have a water treatment. We even have one here in Chandler. The water treatment plant cleans the water and puts it back out into our lakes and our rivers. So that way the water's being recycled and reused. It's not just staying in that one area. Recycling is smart. If we recycle, we will still have Earth's resources to use tomorrow. Our trash will take up less space. So before you throw, think recycle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go through my trash and take out all the things we can recycle. And I'm going to make another video with you guys that explains how we would go about recycling everything. I want you guys to see the process of recycling. So that's a neat thing that we can do together. And then you can go into your trash and see what are things that you can recycle. Okay? So go ahead and go to the second video. It's going to say part 2, and you'll be able to see the next part, which is the separating of the trash. Okay? See you guys later.